Okay, so just while we're letting that engine warm up, this is today's job, this hedge here. One of the first things to do when you're doing any sort of job that's overgrown is always look for obstacles. Things that get shoved in onto the bottom of the hedge, you know. So also noticing there's quite a few stones. This is like a hedge on top of a stone wall. Totally typical in this country, as is the rain. Okay, there's something here. Got there, that would wreck your machine. The legs. I think that's everything cleared at the bottom. You'll notice how whenever I started, that's the KM94, when I started I had the strimmer on, so I'm actually just gonna strim the bottom of the hedge, both sides here, just so whenever any clippings fall it'll make it a lot easier to pick up. When you're trying to work out, you know, how far back in you go, if you actually just have a look into the hedge, you can see there's it's been cut there previously. See that mark in there? And you can see there's another cut. There's another cut, so I can tell it was cut at this level before. You can work your way along the hedge and just have a look at a couple of places. You can see it's been cut in there, cut in there. There's a big heavy bit, so we'll not be able to take that out unless we hit it with a lopper, so you can kind of get an idea how much you're needing to push it back. Down about there, there's a bulge. You can see it goes down here nice and smooth, and then it bulges out at the end. So this is a pretty good line here. Looking at the ground, you can sort of see where the bottom of the hedge is, you know. So I don't want to push this in any further back, but I definitely want to get that bulge out. Okay folks, there is the finished hedge. Got it pretty straight, so this is like just a typical native hedge, you know. It's a mix of thorn, bits of ash tree in it, plenty of ivy. I'm gonna go back here and get everything packed away, get away home. So thanks again for watching. Catch you in the next one.